Hey guys, welcome to Referral Rocket. My name is Karan, and in this video, we'll learn about how to test your program. So, in one of the videos, we kind of built a referral program for a SaaS application, and in this case, it was the same Referral Rocket website for which we are going to build a program. So, if you go into the campaign which you've created, one of the first things that you want to make sure is that you've integrated with the right software to make sure that you can actually go ahead with the testing. In this case, we've connected with Stripe, right? Now, in order to test out, one of the things I've done is firstly, I've embedded a widget on my application. And to do that, I followed the guide um, which mentions how to install and track your referral campaigns. And within that, there's an embed referral rocket guide that walks through the steps of how you can embed a referral widget, which would allow users to get their unique link. Now, as a new user, I've signed up and I've got my link over here. I'm going to share that with my friends who will visit this link. And when they visit this link, one of the things that I had to do based on my installation step was to install this script on the landing page here. So the software will tell you what steps you need to take. So this is the landing page, and what I've done is I've installed that script. As you can see, when you go to the head section, the script is already available on this page. That script allows you to track referral codes or users who have been referred coming onto your website. Now, the next step from here is they make a purchase, right? So I'm using Stripe payment link, and you can see that I've already added the code that is mentioned in the documentation for Stripe. So if you go into Stripe documentation, it tells you how to set up Stripe tracking. And what I've done is I've just copied this code and put it on the page where users will actually make the purchase, right? So when I click buy, it redirects me to the Stripe checkout, right? And this is where the new user will make a purchase. Before I kind of show that end-to-end flow, let's go back into the dashboard. So you got your campaigns. Within your campaigns, you have a list of campaigns that you may have created. You select a campaign, and for that campaign, you get a dashboard that gives you a quick snapshot of how your campaign is doing. You got the participant tab. Over here, you can see direct participant or your affiliates. You can see also referred participants, and you got a reward tab, which we'll talk about in a bit. One of the other things that I hadn't mentioned was email notification, right? So if you want email notification to be sent out, you can configure them over here, right? So now let's go back to our participant tab. The user or the affiliate in question who's actually sending out referral over here is support. So let's go into their profile. You can see that they have 6 referrals. And now let's make a purchase with a new user. So I'm going to call them johnjune@gmail.com, and let's make that purchase. And let's pay. All right, now that the payment has gone through, let's refresh our page, and you can see that there are 7 referrals now. You can find John June over here, status as completed. And if you go into the rewards section, you can see that support or this support user is now eligible for a reward for John June. I'll create another video on how to send rewards, but there's another way you can test it. So if you don't want to go through this setup, there's a quicker way. Every campaign comes with a unique campaign link. So if you just click on that, it will redirect you to that campaign, and you can copy the link and kind of proceed with that setup as well. But you still need to follow the installation steps so that tracking is done accurately, and whenever a payment comes through, we are able to track that as well. Again, this was a quick demo of how you would run a referral or affiliate program for your customers. At any point, if you have questions, please reach out to our support team and we'll be happy to help you.